Hello kids, it's Abby. Today I'm gonna draw fruits and vegetables. Let's start drawing. I draw a pumpkin. A carrot. And a pear. A watermelon. A strawberry. And an avocado. A pineapple. And a lemon. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. A grape. A pepper. And I'm also gonna draw funny faces for them. Awesome! Let's start coloring. I color a lemon yellow. I use red for the delicious watermelon. Then I use an orange color for the pumpkin. And light orange for the carrot. The color of the strawberry is red. I use a light green for the pear. Now let's color the avocado. I use green and brown for the seed. I'm gonna use a dark yellow for pineapple. And red for the pepper. I color the grapes purple. Finally, I'm gonna use different shades of green for the leaves. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. New videos come every week.